Good afternoon, dear children. Hope you all are fine and also going through the content given in the EVS interactive classes on regular basis. Children, today we will discuss the answer key to cycle number 5 assignment. This is of chapter means of communication. So let's start discussing, and you should also check your answers side by side so that in case of any mistake you can do the correction also. In first question, in which you have to unscramble the letters to form the correct word, in part A, in which you have to guess the service which is used to send urgent message in olden times. So the answer to this part is telegram. In part B, you have to guess the worldwide system of computer networks. The answer to this is internet. C part, you have to guess the means of communication used by deaf and dumb people to communicate with others, and the answer to this is sign language. And in part D, you have to guess the name of the bird that was used for sending letters in olden days, and the name of the bird is pigeon. In question number 2, you have to name the means of communication represented by the following pictures. So, the means of communication represented by these pictures, let us talk one by one. Coming to picture number A, it's a clapperboard which is used in filmmaking. So it is related to cinema. Then picture B, you can see the mask showing the facial expressions, one for happy, one for sad. So this goes with theater. Next is books. Coming to picture D, this logo is for internet. In picture E, you can see that it's a radio, and picture F is newspaper. In question number D, you have to write the full form of a SMS. So it's short message service, and while writing the full form, you should start each first letter with capital. Like first capital S is for short. So while writing the word short, you should write S capital. Then M is for message, so you should write M capital. And again S is for service, so while writing the word service, you should write S capital. Next is email. So email is electronic mail. Next is PIN code. It is for postal index number. Next is www. It's World Wide Web. And E is GPO, and its full form is General Post Office. Number 4, you have to circle the words out of the given words which represents non-verbal communication form. So out of the given words, let us take one by one. Dancing. So in this, use of gestures, facial expressions, body language is used. So it is a form of non-verbal communication. Next, coming to speaking, it is a form of verbal communication. Next is writing, it's a type of written communication. Then is painting, it's a type of visual communication. Gestures are part of non-verbal communication. Singing, it's a type of verbal communication. Smiling, so it's a part of non-verbal communication, because when you are very happy or you are in good mood, you smile. So it shows that you are in a good mood or you are happy. So just by smiling you can express your feelings. Next is reading a book aloud. Reading actually is a form of written communication, but here it is reading a book aloud, so it can be verbal communication. Next is sign language. In this, hand movements are used, and also use of lip movements, so it's a form of non-verbal communication. And next is drawing pictures, it's a form of visual communication. So out of all these words, dancing and then the gestures, smiling and sign language, they represents non-verbal communication. In question number 5, who am I? The first part, in which you have to write the name of inventor of telephone. So the answer to this is Alexander Graham Bell. Next is, you have to write the discoverer of television. So the answer is J.L. Baird, or you can write John Logie Baird. Then is, you have to write the name of country where paper was invented. So the answer to this is China. And fourth one, you have to write the means of communication which is used to broadcast music, traffic updates and news to people, so that people can listen to it. And here the means of communication is radio. In question number 6, fill in the blanks. In first part, the name of the person who sends the message is sender, and the person who receives the message is receiver. And the process by which we can interact with each other and share our thoughts, ideas and opinions is called communication. And the third part is, at the post office we can send parcels quickly and urgently, by which service? It's a speed post. In question number 7, you have to choose the correct option and also circle it. So in part A, you have to choose out of TV, letters, movies, radio, which one is not a means of mass communication. So the answer to this is letters. In part B, you have to decide a PIN code is 4-digit number, 5-digit number, 6-digit number or 7-digit number. So the answer to this is 6-digit number. Next is part C. You have to name the app to call, chat, make a video call, share pictures and videos with our friends, and family members. So the name of this app is WhatsApp.